How to use it. Step 1. For A6PF, A6PP, S8 Gen 2, go to Settings Device and tap Device 4 times quickly. Then a prompt will show up to tell you the TrackHU app is now visible in the car stereo's app list. For AD6, go to Settings, System, About Device, Software Version Info, Serial Number, and tap Serial Number 4 times to access TrackHU. Note, the TrackHU app icon is hidden by default to protect users' privacy. You can click 4 times again following the path above to make the app invisible. Step 2. Enable the car stereo's GPS and network. Step 3. Open the TrackHU app on the car stereo and tap the status button to activate it. You will see the color turns green. Step 4. Use your phone to scan the QR code to access the TrackHU Manager app or website, where you can view all the information above right at your fingertips. How to get TrackHU on your car stereo. For AD6, you can make it visible and use it directly by following the steps about how to use mentioned before. For ATOTO A6PF, A6PP, S8 Gen 2 series car stereo, the TrackHU app is initially hidden for privacy. Please follow the Step 1 Make Visible mentioned before to check if your car stereo has installed the TrackHU app. If a prompt show up to tell you the TrackHU app is now visible in the app list, you can use it directly. No prompt means your Android car stereo may need an upgrade to access the TrackHU app. Visit resources.myatoto.com for the latest car stereo software. Email it to yourself, then download to an SD card or USB for an upgrade. The updated system includes the pre-installed TrackHU app. How to get TrackHU Manager on your phone. Visit the ATOTO resource website, resources.myatoto.com, and download the TrackHU Manager APK yourself on your phone to help you manage TrackHU on the car stereo. Feel free to reach out to ATOTO customer service at support@myatoto.com should you encounter any issues.